Welcome to the future of home entertainment. Introducing the all-new TCL C8L SQD Mini LED TV. TCL launches C8L SQD Mini LED TVs with 6000 nits brightness and 144 Hz refresh rate. TCL has officially unveiled its 2026 premium Mini LED TV lineup, headlined by the new TCL C8L SQD Mini LED TV, marketed as the QM8L in the US. Designed to push the boundaries of brightness, color accuracy, and gaming performance, the C8L series represents a significant leap in display technology. Premium display with 6000 nits brightness. The TCL C8L series introduces advanced SQD Mini LED technology combined with super quantum dot enhancements. This allows the TV to achieve 100% BT, 20 color gamut coverage, delivering exceptionally vivid and lifelike colors. The inclusion of an ultra-color filter further improves color precision and minimizes distortion. One of the biggest highlights is its peak brightness of up to 6000 nits, available on 85-inch and 98-inch models. This ensures stunning HDR performance with deeper blacks, brighter highlights, and excellent contrast across all types of content. TCL also integrates all-domain halo control technology with refined local dimming zones to reduce blooming and enhance clarity. Ultra-slim, bezel-less design, the C8L TVs feature a sleek, modern design with a thickness of just 5 centimeters at its thinnest point. Thanks to the zero-border display, bezels are nearly eliminated, maximizing screen immersion. TCL's micro-OLED optics further enhance backlight efficiency while maintaining the slim profile. Gaming and AI processing power for gamers. The C8L series is equipped with a native 144 Hz refresh rate, ensuring ultra-smooth motion. With VRR variable refresh rate support reaching up to 288 Hz, it caters to competitive gaming needs with reduced latency and tearing. At the core is TCL's TSR-AIPQ processor, which uses AI to optimize picture quality and real-time enhancing sharpness, motion handling, and contrast dynamically depending on the content being viewed. Immersive audio experience. TCL has partnered with Bang & Olufsen to deliver premium sound. The TVs feature high-end integrated speakers along with biosonic tuning technology, allowing users to customize sound profiles easily. The result is a richer, more cinematic audio experience without needing external speakers. Key specifications. Display technology SQD Mini LED with quantum dot. Resolution 4K UHD. Brightness up to 6000 nits, 85 and 98. Color gamut 100% BT, 2020 refresh rate, 144 Hz. VR up to 288 Hz. Processor TSR APQ AI engine. Audio Bang & Olufsen tuned high-end speakers. Design ultra-slim 5 cm zero-border display, HDR support, advanced HDR formats, including Dolby Vision in related models. Price and availability. As of now, TCL has launched the C8L series in Europe, but official pricing has not been fully confirmed. Based on TCL's premium lineup positioning, expected prices are 65-inch, around €1,500, €2,000, 75-inch, around €2,200, €3,000, 85-inch, around €3,500, €5,000, 98-inch, €6,000 plus.